A phylogenetic tree of electronic items. A phylogenetic tree is a diagram that represents the evolutionary relationship between organisms. The pattern of branching represents how organisms evolve from each other. Those connected to each other are more closely related than those that are not. Also, shorter branches represent a more closely related species. We begin our phylogenetic tree with a circuit board. The circuit board is the most common ancestor for all electronic items, which makes it the root of the phylogenetic tree. I chose to make it the common ancestor for all electronic items because without the invention of the circuit board, it would have been impossible for any other electronic device to be invented. The outgroup for this phylogenetic tree is the gaming system. An outgroup is an organism that does not belong to the group whose evolution we are looking into. It is used as a point of comparison for the in-group. From the circuit board evolved the PC desktop. PC desktop is an example of an internal node because it is descended from the common ancestor, but also has species that are descended from it. From the PC desktop, the Mac desktop is descended. The Mac desktop is theorized to be descended from the PC, but still very closely related because they have all the same features, except the Mac has a sleeker look and more video editing capabilities. The Mac desktop is another example of an internal node. From the Mac desktop, both the MacBook and the iPad derive. This is an example of a cladogenesis. A cladogenesis is the splitting of a parent species into two distinct species. Both the MacBook and the iPad are equally and closely related to their most recent common ancestor, the Mac desktop. They are believed to be descended from the Mac desktop because they all have the same software features, just different and more portable models. From the PC desktop also comes the PC laptop. This is not as closely related to the PC desktop as the Mac desktop because it has both a new and more portable design along with the new Windows software. From the circuit board, there's a second branch of the phylogeny tree. Derived from the circuit board is a flip phone. These two are not very closely related because of the need for the circuit board to shrink to fit into the phone and the development of texting, which is impossible with just a circuit board. From the flip phone, an anagenesis occurs to create the iPhone. An anagenesis is a species forming without breaking the evolutionary line of descent from its most recent common ancestor. The iPhone evolved without breaking off from its parent, the flip phone. The iPod is also derived from the flip phone. It is just as closely related to the flip phone as the iPhone because it does many of the same things. However, it is not related to the iPhone because it needs to operate on Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot.